Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the native dialer feature in Recruit CRM to make calls through your own calling system. Recruit CRM lets you quickly call candidates or contacts directly from their profiles using your preferred calling tool, such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or any application configured as your device's default calling app. To get started, open any candidate or contact profile in your system and locate the phone number on the profile. Next to the phone number, you'll see a button called Open Native Caller. Before proceeding, make sure your preferred calling application is set as the default calling app on your device. Click this button, and your browser will show a confirmation prompt asking you to open your device's default calling app. If you need to change your default calling application, you can update it through your device's settings. Click Open, and your default calling application will launch automatically to start the call outside of Recruit CRM. If no application opens, check that a default calling app has been configured on your device. This allows you to place calls using your preferred dialer without manually copying phone numbers. Please note that calls made using the native dialer are not stored or automatically logged in Recruit CRM. That's all it takes to call candidates and contacts directly from Recruit CRM using the native dialer feature. Thank you for watching and happy recruiting!